Welcome to Cabo San Lucas, Mexico, where the sun meets the sea in a breathtaking blend of beauty and excitement. And don't miss number 6. Imagine lounging on golden beaches with the waves gently lapping at your feet, or diving into crystal clear waters teeming with vibrant marine life. Whether you're in the mood for adrenaline-pumping adventures, exploring the rich culture, or dancing the night away under the stars, Cabo has something for every traveler. But hold on, because there's one experience that stands out above the rest, something so unique and unforgettable that it will make your trip truly extraordinary. Stick around to uncover the must-do in Cabo San Lucas that you simply can't afford to miss. Number 1. Beach time at Medano Beach. First up, let's dive into the heart of Cabo San Lucas. Medano Beach is the perfect spot to soak up the sun, take a dip in the warm, inviting waters, and enjoy a variety of water sports. This lively beach is not only known for its beauty, but also for its bustling atmosphere, with plenty of beachside bars and restaurants. It's the ideal place to relax and enjoy the vibrant beach scene. Number 2. Explore the Arch of Cabo San Lucas. Next, let's set sail for one of Cabo's most iconic landmarks, the Arch of Cabo San Lucas. This natural rock formation, also known as El Arco, is a must-see. It's where the Pacific Ocean meets the Sea of Cortez, creating a breathtaking view. You can catch a boat tour to get up close to this stunning formation and take in the incredible scenery. Number 3. Enjoy a sunset cruise. Now, here's the gem you've been waiting for. Don't miss a sunset cruise in Cabo San Lucas. Imagine cruising along the coast as the sun sets, painting the sky with vibrant hues of orange, pink, and purple. It's a magical experience that offers stunning views of the coastline and the Arch. Many cruises include drinks and snacks, making it a perfect way to unwind after a day of exploration. If you enjoyed this guide, check out our previous video on the best things to do in Banff. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite spot in Cabo San Lucas? Number 4. Visit Cabo Wabo Cantina. After your sunset cruise, dive into the heart of Cabo's nightlife at the iconic Cabo Wabo Cantina. Known for its lively ambiance and vibrant atmosphere, this famous hotspot offers a perfect blend of delicious food, energetic music, and a truly unforgettable experience. Whether you're enjoying a signature cocktail, dancing to live performances, or simply soaking in the lively crowd, Cabo Wabo Cantina captures the spirit of Cabo's nightlife like no other. It's the ideal place to immerse yourself in the local culture and make lasting memories. Number 5. Relax in Torquay. Escape to the picturesque seaside town of Torquay, where beautiful beaches and a vibrant marina await you. Take a leisurely stroll along the scenic seafront, breathing in the fresh sea air as you go. Indulge in the town's renowned local seafood, with plenty of cozy restaurants offering the catch of the day. Whether you're lounging on the sandy shores or exploring the charming harbor, Torquay's relaxed coastal atmosphere is the perfect setting to unwind and enjoy a slower pace of life. Number 6. Snorkeling at Santa Maria Beach. A visit to Santa Maria Beach is a must for anyone looking to experience the underwater beauty of Cabo. This stunning crescent-shaped bay is renowned for its calm, crystal-clear waters, making it an ideal spot for snorkeling. As you glide through the water, you'll be greeted by a vibrant underwater world teeming with colorful marine life. Schools of tropical fish dart around the thriving coral reefs, offering a mesmerizing display of nature's beauty. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced snorkeler, Santa Maria Beach provides an unforgettable opportunity to explore the rich biodiversity beneath the waves. After your snorkeling adventure, relax on the pristine sandy beach, soaking in the sun and the serene atmosphere that makes this spot so special. Number 7. Adventure at Land's End. For thrill seekers, Land's End is an absolute must. This rugged and scenic area offers stunning hiking trails with incredible views of the ocean and rock formations. The adventurous spirit will be rewarded with spectacular photo opportunities and a sense of accomplishment from exploring this unique part of Cabo. Number 8. Factorial Relax at El Arco Beach. Experience tranquility at El Arco Beach, a hidden gem nestled near the iconic arch of Cabo San Lucas. This pristine beach offers soft golden sands and crystal clear waters, making it an ideal spot for those seeking a peaceful escape. Unlike the busier Medano Beach, El Arco Beach provides a more serene environment where you can truly unwind. Spend your day lounging on the warm sands, soaking up the sun, or taking a refreshing dip in the gentle, calm waters. The breathtaking views of the arch add a touch of magic to your visit, making it a perfect retreat from the hustle and bustle. Number 9. Visit San José del Cabo. A short drive from Cabo San Lucas will lead you to San José del Cabo, a charming town known for its beautiful colonial architecture and vibrant art scene. Explore the town's art galleries, historic buildings, and enjoy a stroll through the picturesque town square. It's a wonderful place to experience a different side of Baja California Sur. Number 10. Experience a traditional Mexican fiesta. End your trip with a bang by attending a traditional Mexican fiesta. These lively events feature colorful decorations, lively music, traditional dance performances, and delicious local cuisine. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in Mexican culture and make lasting memories. And there you have it. Some of the top things to do in Cabo San Lucas, with a special focus on the sunset cruise that you definitely shouldn't miss. From sun-soaked beaches to unforgettable sunsets, Cabo is a destination that promises incredible memories. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures.